And so as you can see, some of these work from home opportunities have been featured in Bloomberg, Business Insider, Fortune, Forbes, The Economist, and even CNBC, so they are legit. If you want to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe because I share with you the same easy methods that I used to grow. And for those who've been asking, yes, my YouTube Masterclass course is available again, where you get the same methods I used to grow a brand new channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in a month. And you also learn how to monetize your channel the way I do to generate automated income just like this. And to get access to that content, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And you can even see the results YouTubers in the course are sharing. So yes, that's right, the work from home opportunities I'm going to share with you today are completely legit, as I just mentioned. And so if you've been looking for something like this, be sure to watch this video because you're going to get it. And as you will see, with some of these work from home opportunities, you're going to make in excess of $22 an hour. And I'll go over each one in detail so you know what you're getting into or what you want to, invest your time into looking into and maybe even applying and seeing if you can get one of these fantastic opportunities to work from home and make some real money. And so just to be clear, this is a work from home. So you're trading your time for money. It's an hour. These are hourly type positions. So it's not like my other course where I'm teaching you how to set up residual income and earn money on autopilot. This is actually more like a job. So just to be clear, so you don't waste your time if that's not what you're interested in. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this. I think you're going to recognize the very first one I'm going to share with you. So I don't think this one really needs any introductions. It's Amazon.com, or Amazon Jobs, I should say. This link, I'll put this link in the description as well below my course link. This is right to their virtual locations search form. So basically you can come here and you can look for jobs. You can look based on location, but as you scroll down here, you're going to see a lot of these are virtual positions, meaning you can work from home. Here's another way of wording it, work from home. And you can basically scroll down through here, and as you can see, there's over 90 pages of this, probably well over 90. And so I'm sure with all these filters, you can find something that will suit you. And as you can see, there's over 890 full-time jobs. There's 3 part-time positions and even 1 seasonal. Then they break it down into job categories, and you can even open this up, expand it to look even further. So you can narrow it down even more so that you can find something that's well suited for you. And perhaps even using this, you'll find something that's located in your area, so you'll have even more of an opportunity to find a job if you're looking for a job in general. And so if you don't mind working at a facility, then these opportunities are there as well. And again, more business categories, and then right here, work from home, 893. So if you click on that, it's just going to filter the results accordingly. So all of these are work from home type positions. And if you know anything about Amazon, it is a legit job and they pay very well. So again, I will leave the link right to this page in the description below if you want to research this further and look for a job that suits you. Let's move on to the next. Okay, for our next job opportunity, this one is LiveOps. Now, this company is based out of Scottsdale, Arizona, and they refer to themselves as the modern call center that isn't a call center. So this should give you a strong indication of what they do and how and where it takes place. So basically, they're a call center, so they field calls for other companies and provide customer support, but they don't have a call center, so you're going to be doing this from home. And they employ over 20,000 independent agents that work remotely, just as I described. In fact, they are the world's largest cloud contact center. And just to give you an idea of what you'd be getting into and the types of calls you would be fielding, this company specializes in providing agents for travel and hospitality, telecom, roadside assistance, high-tech, retail, finance, healthcare, and insurance companies, and even the federal government. They also have full-time and part-time opportunities as well throughout the United States. And so again, if you peruse their site, you can see all of the different opportunities you have and other informations about LiveOps. Again, I'll probably put a link for all of these in the description so that you can just click on it and take you right to these pages as I'm showing you. And for the rest of this page, it's pretty much just showing how they can service their customers. But if you do scroll down here at the bottom under our company, there are some links to information related directly to those seeking careers with LiveOps and opportunities for agents and so on. And so this is where you would actually look at the job descriptions and apply through their website. And of course you can filter it accordingly, just as you could with Amazon's job website, as I showed you previously. And then they have their featured opportunities right here. So here's a client's results associate ninja, full-time opportunity, agent results associate, full-time opportunity. And again, if you click on this, it's going to give you those details and what they're looking for and what you'd be responsible for doing. And whenever you see a job that you're interested in, just click the apply now button and go for it. Let's check out opportunity number 3. Now this is a very interesting opportunity where you can teach English online. And don't worry, you don't have to speak another language, and specifically this platform deals with China. Now let me explain, and you do not have to speak Chinese, mind you. You can just speak English. I could do this, I don't speak Chinese, so listen up. So it's called VIP Kid or VIP Kid. It's based out of Beijing, China, and they recently opened a US headquarters in San Francisco. And as I mentioned, the company is focused on providing English language instruction. And they have positions available working remotely, either part-time or freelance. And as you can see, you can earn up to $22 an hour doing this. Now here's something that's pretty cool. This service offers English as a second language to children in China up to 8 years old. Teachers are English speakers who provide one-on-one courses based on the U.S. Common Core standards. And as a teacher, you'll receive ongoing paid training as well as professional development opportunities. And you'll be able to work from home and choose your own schedule. So basically, the children that you would be working with are already able to speak English. They already understand it. They're immersed in it. They just need help sort of perfecting what they have learned. And so that's what you're primarily going to be doing here. And they're going to have resources to help you with that. So this is a very innovative and lucrative opportunity for anyone that's interested in working at home. And all you have to do is speak English. So if you're interested in this, check it out. I'll have a link in the description. Let's move on to opportunity number 4. Now this company is called Lionbridge, and they're based out of Waltham, Massachusetts. And they have positions available part-time, freelance, and remote. And they cover a wide area of industries. So positions are available in banking and finance, engineering, gaming, global marketing, autos, legal services, life sciences, machine intelligence, testing, and translation and localization. And so we could spend all day going over all of this stuff, but let's just go to industries, and for sure a lot of you are going to be interested in the gaming aspect of this. If you scroll down here, they're going to have a portion of it associated to core testing services, so game functionality, verified game mechanics, performance stability, playability, graphics, balance, platform certification, and device compatibility. So this is one of the opportunities they offer, and that is to test games for these companies. And of course they have all their opportunities here for you if you are interested. And so if you want to check this out further or even apply, go down to the bottom and you're going to see join our team, and that will take you through the process. So if Lionbridge looks like something you'd be interested in, click that link in the description. And let's look at our last work from home opportunity. And it is Appen. Appen is a technology services company based in Australia. However, they have offices in the United States and the United Kingdom and provide opportunities in 130 countries around the world. And Appen works with some of the biggest companies in the world, including 8 of the top 10 technology companies, as well as supporting more than 1 million contractors around the world. Appen offers positions that are flexible, part-time, and home-based. You can work as little as a few hours a week or full-time. Appen has positions that are available in transcription, translation, linguistics, engineering, marketing, finance, and sales. And even offer micro tasks, which are smaller jobs that can be completed from home in about an hour. And they have it broken down right here, ready for you to apply. So they have raters. So again, these are flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer and or just a mobile device. And so you're going to be trying out apps and different web applications and simply rating them. If you are bilingual or multilingual, you could potentially get a job based on language and flexible work in transcription, translation, and linguistics. And then again, here we have micro tasks. So these are just simple tasks that can be completed in about an hour from the comfort of your own home. And if you are interested in corporate jobs, they even have those as well. And they even have a nice video here. If you want, you can come over and watch this video and they'll break the company down even more for you. And you can scroll through the rest of the site as well and see that they, again, are legit. So if Appen is also something that you might be interested in, I'll put a link in the description with all the others. You can come on over here and check this site out in more detail if you'd like. But there are your 5 work from home opportunities today that I wanted to share with you. There are tons more out there. I will do other videos on these, but I've been getting a lot of requests for this type of content, so here you go. As always, if you're interested in growing on YouTube or making money online on complete autopilot, be sure to subscribe and set notifications so you don't miss any of the content that I'm putting out. And with that said, I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.